Ferrari has unveiled the new CZ26, a one-off hybrid supercar created through the marque's exclusive Special Projects program for a U.S. client. Making its world debut at Pebble Beach during Monterey Car Week, the Ferrari CZ26 is based on the SF90 Stradale, but introduces completely bespoke exterior and interior styling. Designed by the Ferrari Design Studio under Flavio Manzoni, the CZ26 adopts a distinctive two-box silhouette with a low, horizontal stance and dramatically sculpted wheel arches. A full-width front grille incorporates ultra-slim lighting, cooling openings, and vehicle sensors, giving the one-off Ferrari a visual identity significantly different from the SF90 Stradale beneath it. Under the bodywork, the Ferrari CZ26 retains the SF90 Stradale's plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors making 1,000 horsepower. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system, with performance in line with the SF90's supercar credentials. Ferrari has extensively reworked the CZ26's aerodynamics, including the underbody, front air curtains, vortex generators, and rear diffuser. The modifications were engineered not only to create the car's unique appearance, but also to manage airflow and increase aerodynamic performance. The cabin has also been redesigned with a stronger driver-focused cockpit theme, incorporating dark surfaces, body color details, and bespoke carbon fiber elements. As a one-of-one Ferrari, the CZ26 will not enter regular production. Instead, it joins a highly exclusive family of Ferrari Special Projects cars, while demonstrating how the Italian manufacturer can transform an existing platform such as the SF90 Stradale into an entirely unique creation. Guys, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!